Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3 stacked video edit on CapCut PC. So I will be selecting like 3 videos, like 3 different videos for this. And again, you can choose any that you want. So I'm just going to go to mask and I'm going to select the mirror one, and I'm going to kind of like adjust it up here. Actually, I'm just going to adjust it where I want it, and I'm going to move this up. And then here as well, let's go to mask and select the mirror one. And then the last one, you don't have to do it. Next, I'm just going to like place, actually I'm just going to put this one at the bottom. I'm going to like place it like this so it shows up one by one. Oh, well, now I do need to mask it because I put it on top. Like that. Once you are done with that, I'm just going to go to adjustments, turn down the saturation to -50, and then here I'm just going to put it to 0, and I'm just going to do that for all of the videos. Then here, just probably do it, whoops, like right about here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!